Hello guys. Today I'm gonna showcase you plants from Grow a Garden with superpowers. First up, Thorn Spire. It has two powers, Punch and Spike Aura. Here is how it looks. Next up, Sunflower. Powers, Shiny Star, and a shield. When you press a Shiny Star, it shoots a lot of bullets. And the shield just blocks the bullets. Now the last one, Mushroom. Powers, Crimson's Ring, and the laser. The laser spins with a ring. That's all. Tell me in the comments which plant should I recreate next? Bye.